Aw, these dumplings are so cute. Of course, noodles come in all shapes and sizes. But when it comes to dough, some of us have a need to knead. Wow, now that's what I call a 1-ton wonton. Well, that just means there's more to squish. Dumplings come in all sorts of shapes and colors. Like transparent, or rainbow, or both, apparently. Either way, it's a jiggly little puff. No relation. Uh-oh, there was a reason he was all tied up. What's gonna happen to his bubbly personality? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Or filled. Aw, these guys grow up, or blow up, so fast, don't they? A lot of our friends are in the mood for dumplings. So you're saying that there's a business for them? Seems like the perfect time to try out our new dumpling vending machine. Gotta love the world of supply and demand. But don't forget, it's what's on the inside that counts. Like our special mechanism. And some mini dumplings wouldn't hurt. Why don't we try the tried and true rainbow model? One in each color. After all, it worked for SpongeBob's Pretty Patties. Couldn't be easier. Pull the lever and you get a treat. Okay, Sonic. Want to be our first victim? Wontons are nice, but sometimes all you need's a nice gumball. After all, what goes in sometimes comes out with a bang. Especially when it's time to go pop. And there's a special surprise in this bubble. A little bow. A pillowy steamed bun. Aw, it's a baby bow, and it's about to blow. Everything and anything is improved with glitter. Ah, green and gold. Such rich colors. But why don't we go and share the wealth? Cream-filled dumplings? Donuts, maybe. Oh, look. Our platinum bunny wants to help. And nothing beats freshly squeezed. What are we making exactly? A silly goo? A slimy stew? Well, whatever it is, we know that it's going places. It's filling, which means it has to fill something. Ah, funnels. Is there nothing they can't do? Just tie it up nice and tight. And put on a happy face. On the dumpling, of course. But smile if you want to. Either way, congrats on your bouncy baby ball. Ooh, are we searching for buried treasure? Quick, get the sift! There's gold in them thar sand. Even better, we've got a baby bunting dumpling. Always wondered where they came from. Wash it off. In fact, you could use a bath. You know what that means? Bubbles. A loofah won't hurt either. Wow, you're ruby red! Let's hope some witch doesn't make shoes out of him. Wow, a safe. Probably shouldn't show your code on screen. After all, we've got a real treasure inside. It's another dumpling? Ugh, she doesn't seem too happy. I mean, I guess you've had your fill so far. Don't worry. I know something that'll cheer you up. Our friends have returned to keep you company. Or add some flavor to these dumplings, whichever comes first. We're really on a roll. I wonder what's inside. Blocks! Well, what'd you expect? Dumplings? Come on, we always keep our audiences guessing. Besides, we can still use them to make a dumpling. I think. Better crank out the magic wand. Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Ha! Voila! A parfait dumpling! Wow, a dumpling Happy Meal! And what speedy delivery! Is that a slice of cheese? Well, it sure is stretchy. Well, when life gives you cheese, make cheeseburgers. And we like our buns nice and squishy, just like our dumplings. Any takers? Oh, Derpy's always here to help. Especially when it comes with a free lunch. Wait, the napkin! Yes! It looks like inspiration strikes! Cut it into a circle, fold like a fan, and run a needle and thread through it. Stuff it up with some, well, stuffing, and pull that thread. No one's, not even dumplings, complete without a smile. You can never have too much fun, Squish. And you can never have enough dumplings. Gotta love when they come in blind bag form. Oh, it looks like we've got a set of wrappers. I guess that means there's some assembly required. I wonder if we get to supply our own filling. Well, guess that makes it easy to customize. You know the drill. Put on a happy face. But let's mix things up with a little wink. Always remember, the best dumplings are made with love. Uh-oh, can someone get Gary a candy bar or something? He's just not himself when he's hungry. Come on, you guys used to be close, and you can get closer. Okay, it's time for the gang to emerge better than ever. Plus, there's more. Just enough for a dance party. What a pretty carrot. Judy will just eat him up. But first, he could sure use a bit of a trim. Or is this pruning? Either way, looking sharp. You tip your barber with blocks? No wonder they're always sweeping. Still, how else are they gonna make a bunny buddy of their very own? Unless you're feeling a bit foxy. Up next, an egg? And look what's inside! Gary! Ooh, he's a 3D printed toy. Careful, he sure likes to get around. Don't worry, he's completely harmless. Why, he'll coil himself all over your heart. Talk about finger food. A popsicle paw. Have a lick, Judy. Uh-oh, catch that drip. We can use it to make even tinier ice pops. Too late. Well, no use crying over spilled syrup. You'll like this new treat better. We really left our mark, too. Of course, with the sand and hot glue, it's not a treat to eat. Add a stick. Carve it out of the sand. And it's an everlasting popsicle. Those don't go in your mouth. A balloon makes much more sense. Make room for air. Let's add a pair of eyes. Now, where have we seen those before? It's Nick! Now our balloon party can really start. After all, what's a party without balloons? Ooh, look! We've got Zootopia blind boxes! Hey, Nick, Judy, and Bellwether have 2 variants. How cute! It's like a La Zuzu, Nick. But he's looking lonely. Let's get him some friends. Well, we can't have Nick without Judy. But I wonder if one of them's getting a twin. Guess not. It's Bellwether. At least we've got one of each. Let's just hope she's out on good behavior. Ah, when you've got cardboard, you've got the world. And this one's got our favorite bunny, Judy Hopps. But we're gonna need to make some room. After all, Judy wants something to eat. Grab the chopsticks. Why don't you try some gummy worms? After all, you tried the real thing in the sequel. Uh-oh, I think we gave her too much. Maybe we could get something healthier. Not that. That's more like it. A fresh carrot, straight out of the dirt. Of course, the soil holds all sorts of buried treasures. Yeah, some carrots are really more her speed. And just imagine what her eyesight must be like.